Okay guys, so let's play Arsenal. We're gonna play one match, another game, then we're done with the video. Okay, let's play Arsenal one match. I'm kind of a noob at Arsenal. I'm kind of. Hey, who's shooting me? I can't find anyone to kill. Everyone is done. I want to meet some people. Kill. Come on! Where are people? I want to... Oh, someone died. Okay, I do suck. You guys can prove that. Oh God. I suck at aiming. When it shakes my screen, I literally suck at aiming. I don't know how I just did that. So, it's not a rocket. It's just a kill animation. That was a quick match. And now let's play another game. Okay. Snowman Simulator. Sounds like a simulator. I like simulators. Okay, guys. When I quit whatever, I'm on computer right now. Oh, I know this game. Okay, I don't want to play this game really. It's not that good. I'm like so stupid. Okay, let's search Roblox again. Yeah, I'm using the Microsoft Words. Sorry. Let's just play Super Golf. If I got third place, second place, or whatever, I'll end the video. And I played this game when I was on mobile. Oh, that's gonna be hard. Okay, I'll do that hard. Oh, I just skipped the whole entire thing. Make sure I get in. Oh, I did it. I'm gonna win. If it wasn't for that. What? But I aimed. Okay. Come on, please stop. Okay. What? Come on. You're kidding. Fine. I'll do it. Yeah, that was definitely worth it. Okay, made 21. Oh, the meme. What's 9 plus 10? 21. It's actually 19. Ultra Bougie? What is that? Actually, let's leave the game. Doesn't feel too fun. During my Zoom meeting? No. Okay. Oh my God, you said you hate Adopt Me 7. It's because Gussie R. Who's Gussie R and your friend in real life, 7? Who's Gussie? Okay. And also, I'm close to making a neon dog, guys. Let me show you what I mean. close to making a neon dog. Let me show you. I just need a fully grown 2 more dogs, then I can make a neon dogs. And I am not crashed once I get that neon dog. Let me show you. Okay. Now blah blah blah. Okay, so these ones are fully grown. These ones. Yay and dog hair. Now I'm working on this one. The one that I haven't named yet. And I don't know how I got this dog, but whoever gave me this dog, thank you. Let's start on the dog. On the normal dog. Dun 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 dun. JK. Okay, you're hungry, I'll feed you. I got like 1 million pizzas. What? Yeah, let's grab some more pizzas. If you have a tree house, you can get as many pizzas as you want. Just spam E. Okay, that's nice. Okay, where's my dog gonna go? Where are you going now, Dougal? Also, I did this. You can check when I'm online. Or not. You can join me if I'm online. But you have to follow me. Of course. You need some sleep. Seriously. Why did I run away from home? Also, yeah, that is right. You can see my title. I'm like so close to making a neon dog. I'm not gonna give up. And why did a tree just spawn in my house? That's like weird. Okay. I'll find in there and I'll sleep in my...
Wait, that was, you have a fly dog?
No.
Do you have a ride dog?
Yeah, I have a rideable
Don't
dog.
use that dog.
Steven, that's not the dog I'm trying to look for, Steven. I'm trying to look for another dog. Yeah, guys, I do have a rideable dog. Let me show you the dog. His name is Dog Care, anyways. Let's get into it. So this is Dog Care. Now, what we're going to do is ride him. Yeah, he's rideable, right? Now let's pull our pet out. He's a preteen. I don't know why, but the 3rd rank is preteen. It's very easy to get preteen. Okay, so you want me to show you all the ranks? Okay. 1st rank junior, 2nd. No, wait, no. 1st rank newborn, 2nd rank junior, 3rd rank preteen. 4th rank teen. 5th rank preteen, and that's it. I mean not preteen. Preteen's the 3rd one. The 5th one is post-teen. Now I'm really thirsty, so don't mind. I'll just drink water lemonade. I don't know how I got water lemonade, but it's probably worth it. Click, click, click. Okay. I'm not thirsty anymore. Okay, guys, must end the video.